Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a T25 socket, extension and a ratchet. I'm going to take these screws out on this air box right here. There's 4, there's one here. There should be one down here, but it's missing. There's one right here, and also one right here. Loosen these up. You don't necessarily have to pull them out completely. They can stay in the box, but just gotta loosen them up enough so that the top of the air box will come out. That should be enough. Just lift it up. You can grab the filter, slide it out. There's the air filter. To reinstall the air filter, just slide it in. Make sure it's all the way down in position. Reposition the box. Just want to get these others started first. All right, once those are started, we can snug these down. Just like that. And then if you had that last one, you tighten that last one down here. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.